Hi everyone, I have a fun little challenge for today. We're going to try to create a little piece of music in 30 minutes with some very specific constraints. The challenge goes like this. You have to write 8 bars of a little quirky dance with a melody carried by bassoon, accompanied by a string section and double basses, and with some percussion, including a triangle. Okay? Now, the constraints don't stop there. The tempo has to be 90 BPM, a 3/8 time signature to make it sort of like a waltzy dance. And we're going to segment the challenge, meaning we have 7 minutes to write a harmony part and record it in the strings, another 7 minutes to write a melody part and record it with the bassoon, then 6 minutes to work on the percussion, and another 10 minutes for fixing up at the end. Now, you could obviously just watch me do the challenge, and I'm going to also edit out messy parts and stuff so you can focus on the main and most interesting parts. But I strongly encourage you to take this challenge yourselves. You can pause the video right now, go to your DAW, load up the instruments that I just mentioned, or something similar, and jump into the first segment of creating a harmony part in 7 minutes. Okay, you ready for this? Let's do it. Okay, 7 minutes starting now. I have a little piano track to help me sketch a little harmonic progression here. So I'm thinking quirky. We need some chromaticism. Maybe it'll start off like major, but then we need something that's sort of a little bit with different colors. Thinking like something like this. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. That each one of those is a bar. So let's see if we have a little string part here. What articulation will we use? A spiccato maybe? Or a pizzicato? Do it again. Okay, there we got the double bass. We got another 2 minutes, so what I'll do is I will just copy this over. So we said dum, bum, bum, dum. And now we have to change the harmony here, right? So if we have an F sharp in the bass, it could be some sort of a diminished. Something like that. Okay, whoa, we're out of time. Okay, so what have we got here? After 7 minutes. Okay, this is definitely a candidate for fixing up in the 7 minutes of fixing up. But we're not going to do that right now. For those of you who are doing the challenge yourselves, I'd really love to hear how this part came out for you. Write down in the comments. Let us know. Are we ready for the melody part? 7 minutes for melody, starting now. I'm thinking maybe we need some staccatissimos here. Huh, that's funny. Bum, 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 ba, da, ba. I don't know, something like that. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, I'll start off with a sustain. Goes bum, 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 bum. Okay. I have a moment, I'll try to fix the string thing here. Something like that. Okay. So, that was our second segment. How did it go for you guys who are following? Did you also use a lot of staccatissimo to make that quirkiness? Did you achieve it in some other way? For me, when I say quirky, I have like staccatissimo and chromaticism, some jumpiness as well, I guess. I'll now reset the timer for 6 minutes. You are welcome to pause the video and right now and work on your percussion part for 6 minutes. Let's do it. 6 minutes. Going now. So. I think maybe like a timpani roll in the end. I don't know. Something like that. Okay. Oh, we need the triangle. Let's fit that in before it's too late. And a snare drum, maybe a snare drum. Okay, something like that. Except I want rolls instead of part of those. That's where the rolls are. To the point of unusable, so I don't have time for that. Just quantize them a bit. Oh, maybe not. Out of time. Okay, let's just listen to what we've got here after the 6 minutes percussion. Okay, what do you think of that? You guys that are doing this together with me, how did this part go for you? For me personally, the percussion is something that sometimes actually needs some more time, but I think I've got something basic going here. So what we've got left is the fixing up part. Let's get to it. Here we go, 10 minutes starting now. So let's listen to what is in dire need of fixing up. Okay, I'm thinking I need timpani from the beginning in order for this roll to sound like. not so out of place like it sounds now. You know, I'll just copy in the double bass part. And I would add a cymbal there. Where is the cymbal here? Piatti. What's the Piatti? F0. Yeah, that could work. That's so funny. Okay, I must have messed up somewhere. Maybe I'm just not quantized here with some of this stuff. Yeah, maybe this guy's just very unquantized, and that's giving us that trouble. I'm manually doing some of it so that when I do the automatic quantize, I don't get things like this. Notes that are being quantized the wrong way because I played it very messily. Let's see what we've got. Let's give us the nice colors so we know what's what. The timpani seems off all the time. Why is that? Ah, I found the culprit. It's thinking that it's doing rolls all the time. Okay. Okay, not bad. Do I need anything else here? I mean, I need a lot of things, but something like you do in 10 seconds. Yeah, I guess not. We'll leave it at this. So here's what we've got at the end of our 30-minute challenge. And that's it. How did it go for you? I am really curious to know. Let me know in the comments if you took the challenge and what happened. As for myself, I'm pretty happy with what came out here. I think it was pretty good use of 30 minutes of my time. Each exercise like this helps me get to know my virtual instruments better and forces me to make quick decisions, which otherwise I might think about for ages, pushing my creativity to the limit, I guess. Did you like this sort of video? Let me know in the comments. I will definitely read and think about anything you write there. So that's it for today. Until next time, goodbye.